Hello everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm just going to show you a very quick video on a possible fix to this issue here when you're using a camera in Microsoft PowerApps, and the issue is your camera isn't set up properly, is currently in use, or is improperly configured by the app maker. Now, this isn't definitely fixed, this is possibly one of the fixes to this. It certainly helped me. Basically, all we need to do is just go to our security in the browser settings, because for some reason the camera can't access the camera in your browser. So for this video, I'm going to do it on Chrome. You'll obviously have to check how to do that on other browsers, but to do it on Chrome, if you come up to the bar up here and come to settings, and then if you come to privacy and security, site settings, come down to camera here, and then there we can see not allowed to use your camera is the power app. So that's the issue there. Maybe you've selected never to use it when it first popped up, or whatever the other issue may be, but all we need to do is delete this here. And now if I save and just refresh the browser, so now as we've loaded this there, you can see the notifications now popped up. So if you do allow for this time or allow while visiting this site, and then there you can see the camera's now working. And as you can also see a timer recording, it's Christmas. So yep, hope this video helped. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Take care, thank you.